How the do you see where you're going listening to music that loud? Back up from the car in front of you. If you're gonna ride the so at least take them out to dinner first. Watch the car. Watch the car. Red light, brake. Brake. What the are you trying to get us both killed? Pull over. Pull over. You're done. Yeah, Teresa, listen to me. Tell my husband and my dogs that I love them and make sure they're fed because I don't think I'm gonna make it with the way this kid's driving. I swear, if I see you looking at that phone one more time, I'm gonna kick you out of the driver's seat and leave you on the corner. You can walk. What are you doing? Slow down. You're doing 26 and a 25. Easy on the gas. Easy on the gas. What do you got? A foot made of lead? Oh, you're done. Put it in park. Put it in park. You're done. Next time you drive with your father and call up my chiropractor because I got whiplash.